Oh, by the way, say hi to them first.
Hi.
Yan. Don't drop it, ha? Okay, pila muna ka. Alam mo yon, nag-toilet kasi. Oh, it's just a long queue. How was it? Kain lang kami, ha? Gutom na kasi alaga ako, eh.
It's a replica.
Yeah. So, let's go. Let's go around. Cut ko ba yun?
Yeah, cut that. I don't want to.
Ganun ba yung beanie?
No, I mean like.
What choice? Is that it?
Look at him.
In the COD? Nagmamadali. Ha?
We're in Studio City.
Ah! Studio City pala, pati si tatay nalilito na. Oh, by the way, say hi to them first.
Hi.
Yan. Punta kami Studio City. Hanapin daw namin yung
Frozen.
Frozen. Eh, 2 o'clock yun. So, ilang minutes na lang. So, we're in the hurry. This is one part of the... Ganda, Syra. Ha? Right here. So, we look for the Frozen. Yun, hanapin muna namin yung Frozen. Sana maabutan namin ng 2 o'clock. Oh, the kids. Yan, hanapin na namin yun. Then, sana maabutan namin. Yan, kuha ka tayong ticket, but the ticket for 2 o'clock, ang makukuha namin is for
5:30.
yung pang 5:30. Nakaabot naman kami, pero ang attraction lang yata dito is yung parang snow nila. Di na namin nakuha na. Kasi hinanap pa namin yung pila. So, ngayon, 5:30 pa daw yung ticket namin. Kaya, antay-antay lang kami hanggang 2 o'clock dito. So, kung alam lang namin sana, alas 12 pa lang dito na tayo, no?
Yeah.
So, pagkakuha namin yung ticket, kakain lang kami, then, alis muna kami, and we take this ride. Tayong dalawa? Pwede kaya ako?
I feel like kids lang.
Yeah. So, pag pwede, sasakay kami dito sa slide. Pero kung hindi, ikaw lang. You bring this one. Just hold it.
Yeah.
Don't drop it, ha? Okay. Show them the ticket. This is the ticket. So, we have 2 tickets. And it's mga 5:30 pa. So, we have ano pa. Then, alam mo yon, nag-toilet kasi. Oh, it's just a long queue. So, pipila dito si Syra, my daughter.
Oh, diba?
Only you. Sige, you want to bring this or videoan na lang kita sa loob?
Video ako.
Okay. Now it's Syra's turn. It's Syra's turn now. So, we just try to... How was it? Exit. How was it?
Fun.
Fun, but we need to...
Eat.
It's the queue is so long. Waiting time is so tagal.
Yeah.
So yun, nakapagano na siya. Frozen Land. And later, we are going here, di ba?
Let's eat.
So, gutom na ang alaga na naman ng anak ko. So, we're coming back around.
5:30.
Kain muna.
5:30.
Kain muna, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Ito na ang kanyang order. What is that, Syra?
Teriyaki chicken.
Ano yun ang order niya? Teriyaki chicken. Show them the teriyaki chicken.
That smells like Indiana.
Sorry. Don't be racist. No, 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 no. Just put... What's this? No, 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 no. Put it there.
No.
It's pickled. Kain lang kami ha. Gutom na kasi alaga ko eh. Is that it called?
Huh?
Ang tawag sa kanya? Teriyaki chicken.
Ano?
Okay. Teriyaki chicken, di niya alam kasi gutom na siya eh. Where are we?
We're in Studio City.
And we're looking at...
The fake Eiffel Tower.
It's not fake. It's a replica.
It's a replica.
Yeah. So we're gonna go there. Punta tayo dun ha.
No, I wanna go to Parisian now.
That's Parisian.
Oh, never mind. We had her.
Pupunta lang kami doon. Picture-picture lang kami ng kanyang app. So, punta kami dyan ngayon. Yan. Dito na kami sa Paris. Paris.
Parisian?
Parisan. Yeah. Dito kami ngayon sa Parisian. We are, ang tawag dito, replica ng Eiffel Tower. Kapag sinabi nila na itatanggalin na raw ang Eiffel Tower sa Paris, so you can visit here, and it's much cheaper than go to Paris. Paris tuloy. Let's go. Let's go around. They're taking pictures. Model-modelan. You know, everybody here wants to be a model, right?
Yeah.
They want to have a good picture.
Like me.
Yes. Parang Instagram nila. Sayang lang yung mga dito. Mga kasi dumadalaw dito sa Nakita mo yan.
It's so good for pictures.
Kaya minsan nga masarap magkaroon ng camera dito sa Era. I-snap mo lang sila. Yung mga candid nila like in the behind the scene ng mga pictures, then you post it.
Yeah.
Di ba? Marami kang makikita dito na ganun. Katulad nga, ang daming tao ngayon. Ngayon, nasa loob kami ng lobby ng Parisian. So, papasok na kami dito. Enter the dragon. Open your hands. How about this one? That's it? That's it?
Ito yung labubo. Diyos me.
That's it?
Oh my gosh.
Ay na yung labubo.
Yan lang.
Nothing special. And yung labubo.
Now what do we do?
I don't know, you just want to...
I don't want a picture here. It's so ugly.
Wow! Papakat ko ba yun?
Yeah, cut that. I don't want to get canceled from... Oh.
Ayan.
Now where do we go? Explore?
Yeah, no.
No?
Oh, you know, before this one is... It's, ngayon cafe na siya. Dati hindi siya dito cafe eh. You want to take a picture here? Like a classical... Huh? Oh, you want the other side? Much classical dun. Let's go. Kasi dyan cafe kasi dyan eh.
I don't wanna.
Wala na. Itong kasama kong vlogger, wala na. Am I supposed to get it?
Ako na. Wait lang.
Pero sinasabi na yung labubo. Kulang pala yun. So, ayan, this is part of Parisian. Let's go! Ayun, parang Victorian era. Hotel la, yung photo reception nila. Pero before yon, hotel reception din yun eh. Ginawa nilang cafe.
Akyat tayo.
So, so for the people na gusto lang nila dugo, yan, dyan sila. They didn't see that there's one, mas maganda pa dyan.
Nakakahilo.
Yeah.
Ay, right here.
Just wanted to show you the reception here.
Wow, so nice. It's
Yeah,
so-
that's why I told you to take a picture. Your dust cam. Why?
It smells like bubbles.
Yeah, of course. Let's take one picture here.
I don't want na. Nakakahilo yung amoy.
Nakahilo amoy. Just me. Yan, ito lang yung Parisian lobby. Hindi na kami mag-explore. So, babalik na lang kami doon sa Let It Go, Frozen.
Studio
Snow lang pala yun eh. Kala ko ano yun. Kalalabas lang namin ng Parisian. Balik na kami para sa
Ano? Ticket na.
Frozen.
Yeah. We're gonna go in snow.
Snow ka dyan. Wala lang. Fake snow.
Fake snow. Na,
Do you think it's fake? Or it's ice? Oh really?
I feel like kasi yung kid yung nasa first sa akin, yung katabi ko kanina
Ah.
slide, sobrang basa niya.
Oh, so it's
Ice.
ice.
Can I have your hat? So, hindi mo-
Yeah, okay.
It's okay kasi your hair, your
Nadamay pa yung pagiging bald ko.
But that's such a good benefit though.
What's a good benefit?
That you don't need to worry about it.
No, if it is cold, my head will
Then
scream.
wear a beanie.
I don't have a beanie. You want beanie? Lagi nga na. Ganun ba yung beanie?
No, I mean like, you have beanie, man.
Yeah, I have a lot of beanies.
You have beanie. Ay.
I have 8 beanies.
Lamig, sarap.
You like the weather? Napunta lang kami dun sa Studio City. Ngayon, nandito kami sa Parisian. Kaya ng Londoner. MGM nandun. Les Boeta. Everybody's nagpipicture dito. Mga Instagram. For their Instagram. And ito, Studio City. Tatawid lang kami. Then, see you inside. Tatawid kami. Ha? Yeah. So, tatawid na kami. Ito ulit ang Studio City. Nilalakad lang from Parisian. Studio City. Punta kami kay Frozen. Dito ang entrance. At ang kasama ko, pagod na. Easily get tired.
Sinati ko ba?
Oh yeah. Okay. So, see you na lang sa loob ulit.
Bye.
Here. Welcome to
The fake Disney World.
the Frozen Studio City.
Wait lang.
It's a real eyesight. Ay, madulas. Dahan-dahan lang. You're going to experience snow. Sarah, come here. Sarah. 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 Ah. I'm going to get wet. Madulas lang. So, yun lang yun. Nakapag-ice lang kami. Pwede kang pumasok sa igloo. Pasok na tayo sa igloo. Yan. Sa igloo lang. Madulas. Hanggang kung madudulas ako dito. Malamig siya. I'm in the igloo. Sarah, be careful lang, madulas. Wala, basang-basa kami nito uuwi. So, yun lang to dito sa Frozen, sa Studio City Frozen Land. Madulas lang, at saka mukhang delikado. So, hayaan ko na lang yung anak ko maglaro. At dito lang ako uupo. Hindi sila nag-provide ng shoes. Kaya, nag-relax lang ako dito. At basa, buisit. It's kind of wet. Kasi, no. Yeah. Relax lang tayo dito. Mabilis ako mabasa. Saka madulas siya, oh. Madulas. Ang ano niya. So, yun lang. Mababasa ka lang. Konting ice, mababasa. Yun lang. You get ice, but make sure na wag mo i-compress. Then throw it to me. That's compressed already. Masakit na yan. No, just get from the... Not there, Syra. From there. It's going to... Is that compressed? Okay, throw at me. Throw at me. Ah! Is that it? Basang-basa ka na. It's okay. Bata talaga, no? Pag ano talaga, enjoy na enjoy sa ganitong mga bagay. So, may mga nakaupo dito, mga matatanda. Baka will throw at me? So, babasa lang kami dito. Nandiyan? Oh. Ah! Basang-basa na kami.
Look at him!
Yeah. Ay, basang-basa. Mali ako nasuot ng damit. Basa na ako. Mababasa na ako dito, Syra. Alis na ako. Inang bata, ang saya-saya. Happy?
Yeah.
Happy and wet? Ako. Hindi ka magkasakit ka niyan? Ha?
Hold this. I can hold it.
Ako, ang bata. Saya-saya. Oh. Ah!
So cold! Bye, guys!
Basang-basa na kami! Sarah, how's the experience?
Cold.
Cold inside? Malamig.
Very fun.
What?
And fun.
Fun.
I'm very wet.
Yeah, me too. I'm very wet also kasi nagano kami. Yung snow niya kasi, para siyang shivered na lang, ice lang siya. Hindi siya yung shivered lang siya, para siyang in-scrape lang. So kapag dumapo na sa katawan mo, matutunaw na siya, kaya ka mababasa kagad, no?
Yeah. And yung other kids na hindi nag-jacket, ay grabe ka basa para sila naligo.
Oo. Kaya,
Ayoko yun kasi may sipon pa.
kaya nga tinanggal muna namin yung jacket niya, baka lamigin siya. So, this is our, ano ba yun, yung frozen land experience
Yes.
for today. And yeah, did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Okay,
Now
bye-bye.
I'm gonna go home.
And bye-bye.